Today we are understanding close packing of atoms. To understand close packing of atoms, I am dealing with yellow colored ball. First layer is arranged. In this first layer, one atom is nearby another atom. So the way first layer is arranged. In this diagram, second layer is arranged nearby to the first layer atom. Okay. Again third layer, similar way. This packing may be considered as A. There is another way also for this two-dimensional packing. In this another way, you can see that first layer is formed by orange colored balls and second layer is not nearby directly attached to first layer. It is in between these two layers, or technically we can say that when second layer is here, then a triangle is forming. Third layer is coming, then also triangle is forming. So the difference between two types of layer is, in first type of layer, first layer and second layer, they are forming one cube. You all can observe cubes are formed. Again second layer and third layer, all are forming cubes. In the second arrangement, first line, second line, first line, second line, all are arranging in a triangular manner. Again second line and third line, all are arranging in a triangular manner. So we can say that this type of arrangement can be considered as AB arrangement. That's all about the two-dimensional arrangement. Now before dealing the whole arrangement in the three-dimensional, we can consider voids. Voids are interstitial sites. Here you have seen interstitial site. In the same manner, here also you have seen interstitial site, triangular interstitial site there, and a square interstitial site there. Now, when we arrange second layer, there is an option that the second layer, this atom is just filling the triangular hole. Then as we are dealing this hole or void is formed by four balls. That's why it is known as tetrahedral void. In other words, we can say that if center of these atoms are joined, then we can have that type of structure known as tetrahedral. So in short, you can understand with four atoms, if void is formed, this is void, खाली जगह है आपकी. So this void is formed, that is known as tetrahedral void. Now this is the arrangement of first layer and this is the arrangement of second layer. One triangle and another opposite direction triangle. Then there are void are forming. This is the void. This void is forming by 6 balls. That's why it is known as octahedral void. You can consider that, okay, 4 balls in one plane, and with respect to this hole or void, one is above the plane and another one is above the plane. So in both the words, I can state the octahedral void, that tetrahedral void, which is made up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. Or with respect to the centers of the atom, these lines are joined, then there will be a octahedral will form. With respect to this void, octahedral structure is forming. So this void is known as octahedral void. From this model, we will arrange the various type of submodels in the variety of manner. It means we will arrange three-dimensional structure of all the walls. So here again, this is the first diagram. In this we are observing two-dimensional square close packing. Here we are observing that a two-dimensional triangular close packing. This is the packing in two-dimensional. To understand three-dimensional close packing, a smaller part of these above structure I have taken here. The first layer is formed. This is the first layer. Now there is option for me that second layer I can put either here or over here. If over the one ball second layer is formed, then this will be the scene. In the same manner, so many balls will be filled. First, I can consider that to the triangular ball, I am putting one ball. It means I am covering all tetrahedral void. So here in this diagram, you will see that after first layer, orange layer is covering. It means orange layer. Suppose this one is the bigger one, then it is covering the tetrahedral void. Then we have placed the third layer. Third layer, again there are two arrangements for the third layer. So this is your first layer, this is your second layer, and third layer. There are two options. One is covering the octahedral void, another one is covering the tetrahedral void. Look at the two type of void. This one is, easily you can see that my pointer cannot go more. It means this void where I am placing the pointer, this one is tetrahedral void. And second type of void, my pointer is going down, it means totally hollow space, it means it is octahedral void. I can fill either tetrahedral void or octahedral void. When I will fill the, in this diagram, when I will cover the tetrahedral void, what will happen? The diagram will form known as A layer, then B layer, then again A layer. This type of packing is known as hexagonal close packing. In the second diagram, you will see that first layer, that is as usual kept, second layer filling of trigonal void, and third layer is filling in such a manner that A and C, this is A layer, this one is B layer, and this one is C layer. So we are having A, B, C arrangement. So in all, I can summarize the topic that we have two type of three-dimensional arrangement. We have two types of three-dimensional arrangement. One is hexagonal close packing, known as A, B, A, B. In the same manner, we have second type of arrangement, which is known as A, B, C, A, B, C arrangement. Good morning, students. On the board or on the paper, we are doing work for close packing. In this close packing, first we will do work for one-dimensional close packing, that is known as 1D packing. For 1D packing, there is no option. All the sphere will be attached with linearly. In the linear arrangement, if we will count the coordination number is the number of particles which are the nearest neighbor. Means एक के पास में कितने nearest neighbors हैं. So if I will count for this, then you can see that 2 are the nearest neighbor. For this, then 2 are the nearest neighbor. For the last circle, we cannot count the nearest neighbor. So in short, you can say that in one-dimensional arrangement, coordination number is equal to 2. Now, the second point of study, that is two-dimensional arrangement. Close packing in 2D. For 2D, suppose there are the sphere arranged in one layer. Now this one is second layer. Again third layer. You will see here that if this one is A layer, again this one is having the similar structure, A layer, again same A layer. If I will count the nearest neighbor, you will find the nearest neighbor for this, that is 1, 2, the nearest touching neighbors. If I will put join the center, then there is a square will form. So this one is known as square close packing. Now, the second option for 2D arrangement, first layer similar, second layer will not come in this way. Second layer either in left direction or in right direction. A little bit I will arrange in the left direction. So suppose left direction I am arranging, then it will come in this manner. Then third layer again means for two particles. In between place I am arranging the second layer. In the same manner, third layer. So if you are saying this one is A layer, this one you have to tell B layer. A is again similar to A, so this arrangement is AB arrangement. Now for one atom, if I will draw the nearest particles, then it will come like this. So it is hexagonal close packing. So there are two. So if you will compare both the diagram, you will understand that here this one is a square close packing and this one is hexagonal close packing. But really crystals are formed in 3-dimensional. So the most important part of our study of this standard, that is the 3-dimensional close packing. In 3D, we have to imagine that suppose second layer will be in this manner and third layer will be in this manner. So I am drawing first layer of 3-dimensional image. This is the first layer on one plane, and second layer, suppose I am filling all the mid space of this triangular space. ये जो triangular void बन रहा है इसको fill कर दिया हमने. Then this arrangement will come. This blue colored circle will form. Okay. So these blue colored circle are second layer and this one black one is first layer. So we are covering one type of this trigonal void or this vacant place. So we are getting two layers. There are two options for third layer. Third layer can occupy this type of void which is forming by 6 atoms, or the second type of void which is forming by 4 atoms. Means there are two options for the third layer. Third layer can arrange in such manner or in a different manner. So I am showing both type of arrangement. Suppose I have arranged first layer like that. One small part I will take in a diagram. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One hexagon arrangement. Okay. One atom and surrounded by 6 atoms. Then the next part void will be filled. Okay. So it will come like this. Again the arrangement will come. So you will find that first layer, if I am saying A layer, then second layer as B layer, then third layer is overlapping again A layer. Just A layer and third layer A layer. So this type of arrangement can be told as AB arrangement, and this type of AB arrangement is forming one hexagon. Okay, so this is known as hexagonal. You can see that hexagon is forming. So this is known as HCP, hexagonal cubical packing. Coordination number for one atom will be here 12. Coordination number is 12 and HCP arrangement. Next arrangement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. One more arrangement I have to draw, that is space is not sufficient for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon, hexagon, one triangle, smaller triangle I am drawing. And this one is inverted, opposite triangle. So in this manner, 3 layers. If only centers I am drawing, then A arrangement, B arrangement, C arrangement, again A arrangement. This arrangement is known as cubical close packing. If three-dimensional figure we can study, then only we can understand that this one is ABC. You understood from the model. So, but on the copy and pen, paper and pen, how to arrange, that is the clear picture here. So, CCP and HCP both have coordination number 12. And packing efficiency for both the arrangement is also 74%. And one more point I want to state here, that in the numerical, if FCC, CCP or HCP, these words are coming, it means number of atom. You have to take as 4. Names are different, structures are different, but counting of number of atom is 4. So there is the conveniency for you for doing numerical. I hope you have cleared in well manner. Thank you.